Good morning, students. This is your chapter 6, that is combustion and flame. In the previous chapter, we have studied about fuels such as coal, petrol, diesel, kerosene, and natural gas and LPG. So, students, we get heat often accompanied by light on burning a fuel. जैसे ही हम किसी भी फ्यूल को बर्न करते हैं, वी आर गेटिंग द लाइट. So we use different kinds of fuels for various purposes. Like at home, we are using LPG gas, in industries and for running automobiles. Everywhere we are using different kind of gas. Like coal, kerosene and LPG. These are fuels which we use at our home. Like coal, coke and CNG are used in industries also. Like petrol, diesel and CNG are also used for running automobiles. So these are the different type of fuels and these are the basic needs of our life. So we know, students, some fuels they burn to give heat and light, but some are not. Okay. For example, like candle and wood burn with a flame, whereas some substances like coal do not burn with flame. Okay, आपने देखा होगा घर में कैंडल जलाते हुए या घर में आप लकड़ी जलाते हो तो दैट वुड एंड कैंडल विल गिव यू हीट एंड लाइट. ठीक है, वो आपको एक फ्लेम के साथ में हीट देती है. बट वही अगर आप कोल को जलाते हो, इट विल नॉट गिव अ flame. Okay, now we'll see first the combustion. What is combustion? In chapter 4 we have learned one activity, that is magnesium ribbon. When you heated, जब आप मैग्नीशियम रिबन को हीट के पास लेके आते हो, it was burned to form magnesium oxide and produce heat and light. वो क्या फॉर्म करता है? मैग्नीशियम ऑक्साइड फॉर्म होती है एंड इट प्रोड्यूस, वो हीट भी और लाइट दोनों ही प्रोड्यूस करता है. अगेन वी हैव टू परफॉर्म वन एक्टिविटी हियर. दिस इज अ पेयर ऑफ टोंग एंड दिस इज द बर्नर एंड हियर इज द चारकोल पीस. ओके, वी होल्ड दिस चारकोल पीस इन अ पेयर ऑफ टोंग्स एंड इसको वी हैव टू ब्रिंग इट नियर टू द फ्लेम. व्हाट विल हैपन? इट विल बर्न, okay, in air and producing heat and light. So what is the similarity between the two activities? When a substance burns, heat release and sometimes light is also produced. Okay, जब कोई भी substance burn होता है तो वो heat release करता है and sometimes it also produces light also, लेकिन कई बार light produce नहीं भी होती है. So a chemical process in which a substance burns in the presence of oxygen to give off heat and light is called combustion. Okay, sometimes it will not give light but it will give you heat. So this is called the combustion. Burning of magnesium and charcoal are the examples of combustion. Since both give heat and light after burning, and magnesium and charcoal are combustible in nature, so it is not essential that light must be produced in combustion. ये कोई ज़रूरी नहीं है कि हर बार लाइट भी प्रोड्यूस होना चाहिए, बट हीट मस्ट बी देयर. ओके, so in our day to day life we have so many things that are combustible and non combustible. Okay, so first one we will see what type of substance is combustible. The substance that burn easily in air to produce heat and light is called combustible substance. जो burn होके आपको heat और light देते हैं, they are called the combustible substances. And the substances that do not burn in air are called non-combustible substances. We can see so many examples which we use in our day-to-day life. For example, see this table, cloth. If you bring cloth near to the flame, it will burn, so it is a combustible. If you bring iron nail, it is not burning, so it is comes under the category of non combustible. Wooden stick, it will be a combustible. ग्लास पीस, आप फ्लेम के पास में या आग के पास में आप ग्लास पीस को लेके जाओगे तो वो जलेगा नहीं, सो इट इज़ ऑल्सो ए नॉन combustible. ड्राई लीव्स, दे कैन burn very easily. Stone piece, non combustible. Paper, combustible. And steel spoon, non combustible. So students, what you have to understand here, so many things that we are using at our home, some are combustible and some are non combustible. Materials like petrol, LPG, gas, wax, coal, charcoal, natural gas, kerosene and diesel are also combustible substances because they give heat and light after burning. Okay students, I hope you understand about this. So about types of combustion we will discuss in our next class. Thank you students, have a nice day.